howdy do, everyone. Hold on just a second. The scenes might switch. Hold on. Okay, we'll just hit cancel. Software issues. Always, it's a software issue. Okay, so we're just going to hit cancel on this one because it's, I'm here. But I am extremely frazzled today. Extremely frazzled. My sister's internet is out, and she needs to come over to my house and do a podcast at noon, which is in 2 hours. So this video stream can't go very long. And Mia was here and Imran was here, but then they disappeared. But they both gave me thumbs up, so thank you for that. All right. So we had a travesty that happened last time when I tried to do this one-page website desktop build of Cool Pool, as you can see below. What I found out was you cannot build a page template. Let's just recap from last time. If you want to see that travesty, it's still posted. You cannot create a template, page template, with columns and sections, and then expect to use it in containers. It won't work. Great big huge breakage happens. So we learned something. If you create a page template in sections and columns, you're going to have to use it in sections and columns in the new place you import it into. So until there's a fix for that, which I doubt there ever will be, you have to go from one mode to the same mode when you import it. Okay, everybody's still here. Well, it only says one. Oh, there's two. Okay, anyway. Somebody must have closed their browser tab. Alrighty. So, since we have that travesty last time, and the template didn't import properly, I have gone ahead and done a screen capture so that we won't have that problem, and I'll have at least something to go by. And I have notes, which I've covered up. I have lovely, lovely notes that only I can understand in code, so that I know what I did, if it's inline, advanced background, inline auto, all my little notes, 50-50. Yes, I have my notes. So the site is a demonstration for educational purposes only. It is not a client whatsoever. So let me just show you let me just zoom in here. It is a demonstration website. Here we go. And let me just minimize this back here. And let me do, well, I hope the icons don't show on the desktop. Hello, there you are. It happens when you hit the wrong button on your pedal. Okay. Don't use your right foot, use your left foot. Okay. So, just scroll to the top, sister. There we are. So, this is what it's supposed to look like. I created it. There it is, all in its wonderful and glorious wonderfulness. And I doubt I'll get through it today, unless I do it mega fast, in an hour. It's T-minus 56 minutes and counting. So, that should be fun, shouldn't it? Yes, it should. Okay, I doubt I'll get it done, because I only have an hour, because my sister's coming, and I've already got a table ready for her, and I've got a chair ready. She's just going to bring her laptop and a link to click on, and the room has no sound absorbing things, so I actually tried, here's what I did today. I tried my MacBook Air. She has a MacBook Air too. And I took one of my dynamic microphones because I was going to be sweet and nice, but something's wrong. The cord to the microphone has a USB-A fat square. And so I was like, oh, I have an adapter that goes from A to C so that I can plug it in the side of the MacBook Air. Didn't work. Wouldn't show up in the inputs. So yeah, she's just going to have microphone from her laptop because it doesn't work on my machine. So here we go. Let's get started, shall we? Yes, we shall. So I have the demo site ready. The demo site is ready. I pulled it in and I converted it. We got something funkadoodle going on here. I think I didn't feel like recreating this section, but somehow, here, let's do this. Let's right click, edit testimonials, just because I feel like doing this. Z-index 0. Nope, still doesn't work. So usually when things like this happen, I just recreate, and I don't feel like recreating at all, period. Hold on, let's just see what happens. Let's just drop in an intersection above and make it 3. It's just the nerd in me wants to know why. All right, so let's make the background column a white color, border background. Here we are. Make it white, color, white. There, see, it's working now. Obviously, there's a problem that with the conversion when it came over, that these are stuck. So why don't we just fix it right now? Yes. Why shall we? All right, so what I added was, what is this? It's a testimonial. So let's go find our testimonial widget, TEST, testimonial, and we're going to drop it in there, and we're going to turn off the image for the trash can right there. And then we're going to come over here to the column background, and we're going to add a little bit of 5 background. Where's the background? You have to go in style because they move it all over the place. Border, excuse me. Radius 5. There we go. And let's just give padding 20. Sure, that's fine. Now we're going to right click, copy, and paste. Paste. Style. Paste style? Yes, paste style. But we need to right click and copy and then paste that puppy in there. Ooh, we're cooking with gas. All right, and then we make sure you've copied the last thing you want and paste the style, please. Thank you. And then we right click and copy that and right click and paste the style. Oops, where'd it go? I don't know. Paste, excuse me. All right, now what I did was I had to do something to, is it the middle one or is it the left and right? Edit the column. Let's go look at the advanced. I am just flying by the seat of my pants. Okay, on the right, 50. Okay, so we need to edit the column and we need to do some margin on the right, 16. Oh, Lord, not all around it. Help me, help you. All right, turn that off and make this 16. And then we're just going to right click, edit column. I know this is the fast and dirty way, but you know I only have an hour here. Okay, advanced and margin and on the right. Here we go. And make it 16. Not 160 because the 0 will stay there. So we're just going to use the up and down arrows. Quick and dirty. Okay. All right. Here we go. Yes, USB powered HDMI. Correctamundo on the USB-C. All right. All right, so what we're going to do right here is we're just going to trash that. And then we're going to right click this and we're going to intersection and we're going to go to advanced and we're going to take the margin. Bottom or top? Bottom. Negative. But we don't want the top, both of them at the same time. So we'll delete that one. And we'll just do this. Yada, 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 yada. Okay, that looks good. Now, what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to come over here to column. And we're going to have to go to style. And we're going to have to go to the border. And we're going to have to go to box shadow. There we go. And we're going to have to fix this. And we're going to make it 20. Y'all, I'm doing this as fast as possible. I'm fixing the demo. And then we'll get to building. Okay, so this needs to be 2. Because that's just the magic number I like. All right, then we're going to right click and we're going to copy. Yes, and we're going to paste style. And we're going to paste the style one more time. Paste it. There we go. Now that is fixed. How do we know? Where'd it go? It disappeared. Where is it? Come to the front, please. All right. Okay, those are fine. And then these right here. Pointer, please. These all have shadows on the bottom. And so now these all have shadows on the bottom. And we're ready to go, boys and girls. We are ready to go. Because I have the demo ready should I have a problem. All right, so let's recreate. Oops, hey, what happened to this photo? I don't know. We have to fix the hero image. Let's go to Style, Background Image, because we can't just have blank images hanging around. There we go. Okay. So now we shall edit with Elementor. All right. And, oops, hey, we don't really need to look at it. We need to go to the settings and turn off the header and footer with Elementor Canvas. Very good. Update. And here we go. First is the header, and we're going to make 2 columns. And we're going to drag and drop the image into the top because we're putting our logo in there. Yes, we are. Choose the image, and this is it. And we're going to hit Insert Media. And we're going to align it to the left. And then we're going to change the, hold on, go back to content. Just because I like doing this, 2 SVGs, making them the full size. So it's the full size style, and then we're just going to guess on the width. 25, I think that's what I did last time. Wonderful. And so then we're going to come over here, and we're going to drag and drop the menu in here. Boys and girls, we're doing this as fast as possible. Why? Because I only have an hour. T-minus, time and counting. I need a button over there. Yes, because in our, which won't show up. Why it won't show up, I don't know. Let's go to the top. I have a Call Now button right here. Call Us Now after the menu, which is black. Okay. We have our little handy-dandy screen capture to go by. All right, so let's right-click, Edit Navigation. Let's style it up. And let's go to the text color, and let's make it text. And we will go back to the typography. We'll go to Decoration and turn off that underline. And then we'll go to the weight, and we'll say 500, just a little bit heavier. Wonderful. And then we'll go to Advanced, and we'll say that the width is Inline Auto. Why? Because we have to put a button on the other side. So what we'll do is we'll go grab our button, and we'll drag and drop it underneath, and that's okay. And it's yellow. That's all right. So we'll right-click, edit the button, go to the style. We'll go to the color of the button, and we'll make it our light blue. And then we'll go to the border radius, and we'll hit 5. And I think if we go to our content, it should say Call Us Now. And we will go back to the style of it, go to typography, we will go to transform, uppercase, lovely. And then we go back to advanced because we need to make it width of inline auto in order to fit, but it doesn't fit. So what we're going to have to do is make this smaller so that it fits with the button. Right about there. And then we're going to have to percentage-wise make our 25 a little bit bigger. Let's go 28 because I like round numbers. Okay, so there we are. Now, does this look anything like our? Yes, it does. We're close. All right. We're not going for perfection. We're going for speed today. All righty. So let's go back to here. We're going to have a 50-50, and we're going to make the background white. All right. Let's get cooking. All right. 50-50. And right-click, edit section. Style, background image is a classic. We're going to grab the image, and we're going to put that image in there. And so we're just going to guess because we're in the guessing mood. With the align, vertical align. Wait, what happened to minimum height. Edit section. Content width. I'm in such a hurry, I can't. Yeah. Minimum height. Is that in the style? No, it's not. Okay, so what we're going to do is, we're going to go back here real quick. We need a title. Okay. We need to fill it with something, and that's probably why we're not being able to, yep. And then we need a paragraph. We're going to drag and drop that in there. And then we're going to grab a bouton, and we're going to grab this one right here, and we're going to copy. And then we're going to right click, and we're going to hit paste, and it's going to be down there too. All right. So then we're going to edit the column, and we're going to make a background color, which is going to be a type of color, which is white. Yes, it is. Bang. Okay. Now we're going to go to the border, and we're going to go to the border radius, and we're going to say 5. Okay, wonderful and lovely. Now, let's see if we can right-click, edit the section, and go back to the layout. Height. Min height. See? I was in a hurry, couldn't find it, couldn't see it. All right, so minimum height. Let's go VH. And I don't even remember what that was. So let's go look at the demo, shall we? Yes, we shall. Okay, the demo says that this is the hero. It's advanced. No, it's not. Style. Size, cover. Center, center. Oh, I know what I did. I put 100 pixels on the top, 100 pixels on the bottom. That's what I did. Okay, edit the section. And we're going to turn off this. Boop. And we're going to right click. Nope, we're going to go to advanced. And we're going to go to padding. And we'll say top 100. 100. Yep. Come on, 0. Where are you? There you are. And the bottom 100. There we go. Now, we need to fix the image in the back. Edit the section. And the image in the back, which is the style. And we need to say position, center, center. And we're going to say the size is cover. Boop, there it is. But we're not looking like the other one, or are we? We probably need to add the padding to this section, which is advanced. 40 top and bottom, 30 left and right. Okay. 40 top and bottom. Let's make this not the same size. 40 on the top and bottom, left and right, 30. There we go. Wonderful and lovely. And, oh, okay, it doesn't have a background. Why is it in my brain that I get that stuck in there? I don't know. But we're going to turn it off right now. Background type, none. Okay. And we definitely need to make the heading bigger. Let's just go see what it was. Right-click, edit heading. It is an H1 typography. Default. Okay. So this needs to be right-click, edit heading, H1. There we go. Okay, and we make your pool clean and blue again. All right. We make your pool clean and blue again. We make your pool clean and blue again. Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. Doing the best I can with the limited amount of time I've got. Appreciate it, appreciate it. All right. So, where did we break? We broke after pool, okay? So, it's doing a natural break, but I'm just going to force a break in there, BR. And clean and blue needs to have the style on it. So, we're going to put it in a span, S-P-A-N. And we're going to span that around clean and blue. If you remember, we did this last time. This was one thing that I was able to accomplish. And then we're going to go style equals, quote, quote. And then inside of here, we're going to put color, colon, not equals, because that caught me last time. And we got to know what that color is. Let's go up here to my magic handy dandy color. And that's probably not the one, but we're just going to paste that in there. and put a semicolon. And I think it's the lighter blue. Of course it would be. So we're just going to pick the color. This one right here. Thank you very much. And go away. And then we'll paste that color right there. Paste. There we go. Clean and blue again. And we need a little bit more oomph on the thickness of this Make Your Pool Clean and Blue. Let's go to Typography, and let's make that 600. That's perfect. Okay. George is in the house. Hello, George. Thanks for stopping by. We are building a one-page website as fast as possible. Yes, we are. Do we have what we need for the top? Well, let's look at the actual screen capture. Oops, wrong one. Okay, it's over to the left. Okay. That is the demo. It is in the right place. Okay. So let's move along. Let's go back to the picture. Okay. So we have 3 image boxes with text underneath. Okay. So let's do that quickly. 3. And we'll get image boxes. I made it a favorite and put it at the top. And then we'll come in here to the style and we'll go to the primary color and we'll make that light blue. And let's see, we have a thumbs up, an award, and a clock. Okay. So let's go back to the icon and give it a thumbs up. Right there. And insert. Okay. An award. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click, copy, and right click, paste in here. And it pastes all our styles. So all we need to do is go to the library and choose award. Nope. Trophy. Yep, there it is. And insert. Okay. And then we're going to right click and copy and paste in here clock. And I think we just type clock. Yes, we do, right there. Bang. Insert. Wonderful and lovely. And I do remember in this padding, I gave it 60. So padding on the top and bottom is going to be 60 on the top and bottom. Lovely. And we're just for purposes. Here we go. Alrighty. Now let's see if that is what it looks like. Pow. Yep, now we need our links. So what I did with this is I actually put a button in there. But I did a styling problem. Okay, so button. We want no background. So we're just going to turn that off. Well, let's just turn the color to white for right now because we don't know how to fix that. We're in a hurry, right? Yes, we're in a hurry. And the typography color needs to be blue, but we're not. Text color is going to be blue. There we go. And we're going to put the content of the button in the center. And then what we're going to do is we're going to right click and copy, and we're going to paste in here. And we're going to paste in here because we're in a hurry and we're doing it as fast as we can. All right. What does it say? Learn more in all capital letters. Okay. Edit the button. We're going to go to the style. We're going to go to the typography. We're going to go to transform uppercase. And then we're going to go back to the content. And instead of saying click here, we're going to say learn more. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to copy and paste style. And paste style. And looky, it pastes it. So yeah, there we go. We are done. We're cooking with gas and we're 25 minutes in. Wow, we just might get this done. All right, let's look at a picture. All right, this is going to get tricky because we've got advanced things of absolute positioning and overlays. All right, let's get to it. So obviously that's a 50-50. All right, so here we go. And picture. We had a background picture. Which one was it? The pool with the, all right. So we're going to right click and we're going to say edit column. We're going to go to the style. We're going to the background type and we're going to choose the image. We're going to choose that one, and we're going to insert media. And we're going to go size, cover. All right, now we're going to insert an image in there. Image, and we're going to plop it right in there. Yes, I am flying. Yes, we are. All right. Right-click, edit image. Let's put the correct image in there. Content. Choose the image. This one. Insert media. Okay. It's going to get tricky, boys and girls. Yes, it is. All right. So first of all, we need to edit the image, and we need to put a border around it, which is in advanced. Border the image. Border type, solid. Width 10. And border radius of 5. And we need to color that border, and we're going to make it white. Pow. Lovely. All right. So it gets very, very tricky here, and this is why I did the demo on the other tab, because I know we make it inline auto. Image, layout, width, inline auto. Okay. Then we go position absolute. Okay. Yep, and I knew that was going to happen. So let's turn absolute off just for a moment. Default, so that the background image shows up. Now, what did I do to the background image right here? I had to have done something. Edit column, style. Okay, it's got the image in there. Layout, width 50. Okay, did I do something with the style? Color, cover, border, background, typography, style, hover, advanced. Pseudo, there's nothing in there. Interesting. Very interesting. I don't know how I did this. Oh, I know what keeps it big. Look, right here. Let me just get my pointer. This is what makes it big, boys and girls. The information over here and the padding at the top. Okay, so don't you worry your pretty little head. Okay, so let's turn that off, and let's fill the other side with our data. So we have a title in here, and we're just actually going to duplicate that. Okay, and then what else did we have? Paragraph and paragraph. We're going to drag and drop that in there. Okay, and what else do we have? 2 list items side by side. Okay, we can do that. And we're just going to grab it and list items. They're down here. List, icon list. Boop. Okay, and we're going to go right click, edit icon list, advanced, width, custom, percentage, 50%. And then we're going to duplicate it. Black sheep. Here we go. Bang. Okay. And then what else do we have in there? A button. Okay. Bouton. All right, here we go. We're going to grab this button right here. Right click. Edit button. Nope, we don't want to edit it. See, I'm in such a hurry. Copy. Right click, paste. There we go. Okay, so what we have a problem with, edit the button, is that I copied it as inline auto and we want it default. There we go. But we need a little spacing, so we're going to come here, edit the button, go to advanced, margin, top. Yes, top. Let's give it 30. Okay, that's beautiful. Okay, now hit update. All right, now, we have to come in here and see how much padding we had in here. Edit the text, advanced. 50 all the way around, except the right. Okay, so right click, edit column, advanced, padding. All right, 50, 50, and 50. Okay, lovely. Now, how now, brown cow? Now we can manipulate this image. Right click, edit image, inline auto. Hold on, yes, inline auto, but the position needs to be absolute. Which one? Hold on, what's going on? All right, hold on, edit image. All right, so now we need to offset and make, okay, so that's what we need to do. What did I do to this image? Image, large. It's a large size. Large size. Edit image. Content. Large, large. Okay. And let's go to style. 50%, yep, percent wide. 57% wide. All right. There is method to the madness. Edit the image. Max width. 57%. Okay. All right, we're going to hit update. Now, there's something special about the border that does not, let's just hard refresh on that one. There's something special about the border. See how the border is on the outside and the image is on the inside? There's a reason for that. There is a reason for that. Okay, width, border, we did that. On the image. But did we do it on the right, correct space? Style. No, we did not. Okay. Notice that there is an advanced border, and that's where we put it. I knew I was going to mess this up, and I'm glad I brought this back up. So turn this off. Turn this off. None. Okay. If we go to the style of the image, not the advanced, go to the style, border, solid, width, 10, I did that mistake for a reason, color, 10, and 5. Okay. So, what have we learned, boys and girls? You use the style button to style the image. Don't use advanced and border. We will use the style to style the image. I don't know what the border is. Border's for some other div that contains the image, obviously. Alrighty, so now we can position it. All right. So right-click image. We're going to position it with the advanced absolute positioning. Okay. All right. Now we need to drop in another absolutely positioned icon box with no icon on it in it. So let's go get an icon box and drop it in there. All right, interesting. Let's go back to our absolutely positioned image here. Go to the style. Let's just make it smaller. Let's go 50% or even smaller because I got to get that in there. All right, so let's right-click, not the image, but we're going to have to use our Command-I for the inspector navigator. Okay, here's the icon box. We're going to turn off, didn't get any water today, so I might lose my voice. And there's another tricky here. Right-click, edit icon box. Now, let's go look at it. The icon box also, you would think you would use the background right here, style. Let's see, override the background icon box. It's not there. Under advanced, background is where I put the color. Don't ask me why. So if we go to style and I choose to give the background, I will show you how it doesn't work. It's crazy. Icon box, background type, color. We need our darker blue. Okay. And let's absolutely position it. Position, absolute. Okay. And we need the width, inline auto. And did we give it a width? Hold on just a second. Width, inline auto. Yes, 280 pixels. Okay. Width. Style. Wait, there was a width. But we have to go to the style, don't we? Image, okay, that's the image. All right, hold on. What's going on? I'm not sure. Let's go back to here. Oh, I know why. You got too much text in there, sister. All right, edit icon box, content. All right. Okay, here we go, 10. So if I just put the plus sign in there, it's beside it. But I want it as it is here. Here's a little HTML for you. See how it says 10 plus? I'm sure I can leave it that way, but I thought I would put plus as a, watch this, boys and girls. Let's make it white real quick so that you can see it, because blue and black just is not helpful. Color white. Okay. Let's go back to the content. There is HTML called SUP /SUP. And you have to close that off to get the plus sign up like that. SUP. There it is. All right, so let's make the style of the description color white, color white. Here we go. We got to pick up the pace. We're on 37 minutes. Okay, what is it? Years, what? Years of experience. Okay, here we go. Years of experience. Years of experience. Okay. And we need an S on years. Boom. Okay. Now, so if I added the style of the color blue and I needed to add padding to this, looky what's going to happen. It ain't going to work. If I go to padding, top 10, right 10, see, it's not given the right amount. I was running into that problem. So the problem is you don't turn it on from the style. Isn't this bizarre? Very bizarre. So we're going to copy this code and we're going to turn it off, clear it out. Okay? And then we're going to go to advanced. Then we're going to come back down here to background. And we're going to go to background type, classic, click the, grab this, and paste it in there. Looky, ain't that interesting? Yes, it is. So now we can go to the advanced layout and put this at the bottom. And then we'll grab hold of this one and we'll fix it a little bit and make sure that it is sitting on top of it. All right, offset, top and bottom. Whoop, whoop, there it is. Hey, let's just incrementally do that. Like that. Okay. Alrighty. What happens if we do this? All right, now we can make our picture bigger. I'm just playing around. You can tinker when you want to. So I'm just a tinkering. All right, let's make this that big, and then we'll go advanced and offset top and bottom. Here we go. Oops, wrong way. All right, and it doesn't look like the other one, but we're going to go with this because we're in a hurry. There we go. All right, update, bang. All right, so let's look at our picture. Looks mighty close. I need to do the about us, okay. And we keep your pool clean and all year round. Okay, so we need to take this. We need to make this, nope, go to content. And p tag. And about us, hurry. About us, okay. And we need to make it blue, style, color, text color. Let's grab our blue, bang, okay. All right, content, oops, click the right one. We make your pool, don't remember. We keep your pool clean. I knew that was missing something. We keep your pool. We keep your pool clean all year round? Yes. Your pool clean all year round. Oops, there's a capital L in clean. Okay. All right, that's good. And that's wonderful and lovely. All right. Okay. So what moved? I don't know why it moved, but it moved. Oh, because the text moved. All right, that's fine. We'll go to style, we'll go to advanced, and we'll just fix that. Wrong way. Okay, update. And we're going to move. I would say that's done. Don't you? Yes. With the icons aren't blue. Icons are not blue. All right. We are at 41 minutes. Okay, hurry up, girl. Here we go. And icon, and color, and blue, and hit it, and right click, and copy. Right click, paste style. And we're moving on. Okay. Lots of progress. Yes, here we go. 50-50, and it's full width. All right. What do we got here? Okay. We don't want to paste anything. We want it 50-50. And we want it boxed. We want it full width. Okay. And we're going to right click. And we're going to edit the column. And we're going to put a black background color, which is blue. Color blue, not that blue, this blue. Okay. And then we're going to right click, edit section, advanced, padding, no, margin, yes, top and bottom, 6D. Okay, wonderful. All right, what do we got going on? Oh, okay. Why choose us? Okay. We're going to right click, edit heading, and we're going to copy, and we're going to paste that. Oops, nope, we're going to paste it. Paste. Whoo, wrong one. Get rid of you. Copy. Paste. Okay. And style, and color, and white. Oops, I'm clicking all over the place. Okay. Why choose us? Okay. Content. Why choose us? Okay. All right. What do we got? We keep your pool all year round. Oh, look, I just duplicated that. Okay. We're just going to right click, edit heading, and we're going to paste that right in here. I didn't grab the right one. Boop. This. Copy. Paste. Okay. And we're going to make it white. Style. Just as fast as humanly possible. Okay. Lorem ipsum. Okay, so we got paragraph. Here we go. Edit text editor. Beep. All right, and then we've got 2 things right there. All right, and a button. Okay, so let's do this. 2 icon boxes, and we're going to duplicate it. But before we do that, we're going to turn this off. Nope. Go away, please. Thank you. We're going to turn this off. All right, and then we're going to right-click, edit icon box, go to advanced, width, custom, 50, and then we're going to duplicate this. Marvelous and lovely. And then we're going to put a button in there. Button. Oh, Lord of mercy. Okay, you need to go over here. There. Okay, good. And we need to... Do I have a white button anywhere? Nope. I'm going to have to manually make it white. Right click, edit button. Style. Style, typography, blah, 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 text color. Nope, color, white. White. And padding, border radius, 5. Okay. And then the typography, text shadow, nope, text color, yep, blue. Okay, and what does that button say? Consult with us. Okay, and we're going to go to typography, and we're going to go transform uppercase. We're going to go to content, consult with us, consult with us. Okay, and we're going to right click, and we're going to edit the button. We're going to go to advanced, go to the margin, top 30. Let's make it 35. Okay, good. All right. And then we need some padding around the sides. Now, let's go take a look. Well, how much padding do we have here? Advanced. 60. All right. I can do that. Edit column. Advanced. Padding. 60. Wonderful and marvelous and lovely. Okay. Those are to the left. Okay, so we're going to edit the icon box. Content. Nope. Style. Bang. And right click, edit icon. Well, I could just copy and paste it. Ding dong. Paste style. There we go. Beautiful. Now we need to make it white. White, white, white. Right click, edit icon, style. Title, typography, color, white. Here we go. Have you seen anybody ever build a website this fast before? Description, color, white. So yes, if you are a newbie and you are watching this for the first time and you're like, goodness gracious, he's going 50 miles an hour. So yes, you can just slow it down, hit the pause button, and keep up with me if you want to. Typography, typography, yes, color, text color, there it is, white, please hurry. White, okay. And that's lovely. Okay, so now we need to come over here, we need to add the column, style, and background. We need an image, boop, and we need to choose the image, boop, and this one, and hit insert media. All right, and we need the size as cover. And obviously position top center. Nope, bottom center. Oops, not top right. Bottom right. Nope. Hold on, what do we got? Yes, that's it. Hey, I guessed right. All right, what do we got in there? Okay, this is tricky, boys and girls. You know that I was having that problem with the background blur? It's because I was choosing the wrong CSS. Let's go to the CSS and let's goosey gander at it, shall we? It is backdrop filter blur instead of some other blur that I was using. So put that in your little snippets of code. Wink, 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 wink. And backdrop filter blur. That's how you do it. We have 12 minutes and counting. Hurry, girl. I don't think we're going to make it, but we'll get close. And I might just continue this. I'll rechange the title to episode 1, and then I'll put episode 2, and we'll pick up where we left off. How about that? Sounds good. All right. So what do we got here? What is this thing? We've got a title and a button. Okay. All right. So is this an inner? Yes, it's an intersection. Okay, so let's come in here and let's drag and drop an intersection in there. Pow. Which fills Navigator. You're just going to have to go bye-bye. All right, so then we're going to add our title, paragraph, and a button. Okay, title, drag and drop, inside, bang. Why are there 2 columns? I don't know. Let's get rid of them. There we go. And now we need a paragraph. Yep, right there. Pow, drop it in there. And then we need a button, and we're going to grab our button, and we're going to drag and drop it in there. And then we're going to right-click this one, and we're going to copy it, and then we're going to right-click, we're going to hit paste style. Bang. Okay, but we don't need that margin on the top. Don't need it. Okay. Now, we're going to right-click, edit column, go to advanced, and go to the custom CSS. And we're going to come back to our demo site, and we're going to grab this custom. Oop, where'd it go? Because you're not on the column. Oh, look, it is 2 columns. That's how I spaced it out. All right. Well, we'll just fix you, and we'll grab hold of this column and put it over here. And we'll just drag it a little bit like so. All right, so let's go back to our demo, and let's right-click on the column, edit the column, go to the custom CSS. Let's copy this. You know, I could copy and paste, but I'm not going to. All right, so we're going to right-click on our column. We're going to go to custom CSS, and we're just going to put pasty paste. So we have our blur now. How'd you make it blue? Well, that was easy. I go to style, I go to background, and I gave it a color. Yes, our light blue. But, wrong. Let's take that color out of there. We have to make it a overlay. Why? Because we have transparency. Uh-oh. Let's just hit update. That was a blip on the screen. All right, background type. And we want color. And we want our light blue. There we go. Isn't that just pretty? Yes, it is. Now, we need to make our text white. Style, text color, white, 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 white. And we're going to make this white. And text color, white, white. Okay. Is our button blue? Let's go find out. Or is it white? It has no background. Okay. So we're going to right click, edit button, and go to style. And we're going to take the color off, whoop, like so. But we need something, so we're going to just transparent, bloop, right, just like that. Update. All right. Alrighty, so let's see. Let's go back, look at our demo. We balance your chemicals right. Okay. So go to the title, and we're going to say content. We balance your chemicals right. I'm a bad speller. And there's a capital E in we. Okay. All right, there we go. And we're just going to make that H2. We're going to make it an H3. And then what we're going to do is we're going to right click. Our button's kind of hanging out weird, but we need to give it padding, padding, padding. What kind of padding do we got on this puppy? Edit column, 40. Okay, we can do that. And right click, edit column, and advanced. Padding 4D. Okay. And something doesn't look right. Let's go back and look. Because our font is actually what size? Style. Typography. 1.5 EM. Okay. 1.5 EM. 1.5 EM. Right click. Edit heading. Style. Typography. Size EM. 1.5. There we go. All right. So if we look at our demo, our button, we need to take the padding off the button in order for it to get to the left. So I'm going to right click, edit button, padding, 0. There we go. And update. All right, now we need to do, how did we do this? We pushed it to the bottom. So we have to go to the container column, and we need to go to layout, and we need to go horizontal, end. No, not working. Okay, default. Okay, how did we do that? Don't remember. Right click, edit column. Oh, vertical, because see, I'm a moron. And when you're in a hurry, vertical and horizontal are just the same. Bottom, bang. There it is. All right, so we need to turn off. Let me go to here and turn off the padding here, 0. Is it the margin or is it the column? I don't remember. Edit the column, margin, 0. Oh, it's in the papa. It's in the papa. And when I say papa, I mean in this papa right there. Advanced, padding, 0. There, bang. Always click border radius when I mean to click pad. Yes, I get caught on that one all the time. All right, so we need, thank you for border radius. We're just going to come in here, edit the column, and we're going to go to border radius, which would be border radius 5. Okay, lovely. And we're going to hit update. We have 5 minutes to go. I think I'll stop there because we have done a lot. Look, look, look. We've done so much in an hour. My goodness, my goodness. We'll just chill out here for about 5 minutes while I stop revving the engine. Are we at least halfway through? I don't know. Let's see, we're here. Let's go back. Okay. Oh, that doesn't have a background. I'm just giving things backgrounds. Well, look at the image, the doolally image over here. See, it does have one. I didn't fix the demo. So the demo is great. Yes, I have done enough for an hour. So I hope you have enjoyed. Am I going to hit the right button? Yes. I hope that you have enjoyed this speed build of half of a web page. I'm quite impressed. Now, again, I'm going to repeat myself for those who have just probably not joined, but here you are. Remember, when you build a site and you save a page template, remember which mode you're in. What mode? What are you talking about, mode? Are you using sections and columns, or somewhere eventually down the road, there will be containers? So what my mistake was in the previous version of this attempt was that I saved the template in columns and sections. And then I tried to import that page template into a site that had containers turned on, and it did not work. So just remember, you're importing and exporting of your templates, what mode you're in. Do not be, let's just say this for safety purposes. Safety purposes. Only use, at this point, only use containers in a testing environment. And know that when you're trying to import templates and they don't work, turn off containers and go back to sections and columns. That's what I learned. And I will scream that and soapbox that for now until containers are ready to be used, which we have no idea when that's going to be. So, yes, in an hour we got half of a website done. And that is what George said. It takes time. In an hour, going as fast as you can, already having a website done, already having the demo done, already having a screen capture to go by. As fast as you can only get half a page done in an hour. And that's somebody who knows Elementor really well, and knows how to do those complicated things of advanced positioning, absolute positioning, backgrounds aren't showing, don't use the background, only use it in the style, only use it in the advanced. It's crazy. It's crazy, but there it is. There it is. So, the hour is up, and I hope you've enjoyed this stream. I know I've enjoyed actually making it happen correctly. It works. So, I will rename this video episode 1, EP period 1, and there will be an episode 2, and we will continue to build this lovely website. This lovely website. Let me just show you this lovely website one more time. We got a lot done today, and see, we will continue. What do we need to continue with? Well, let's pull up the preview. We need to do the services. I know there's no titles. That's okay. Our process, and these actually get bigger. They have an animation coming in. Actually, this little thing over here, this thing right here, has an animation that slides in. We need to add some animation. I don't like animation, but I just decided to have fun with it. And we need to get the testimonials, the blog, be a customer, and the footer. I think we can get all that done. I probably won't have an hour minimum to get it done. I can probably go an hour and a half next time. But stay tuned. Subscribe and like. If you haven't already subscribed, because we will finish out this one-page build. So y'all stay good, and I will see y'all next time. Bye now.